Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about upthrust. It is a boat swimming in the water, and we have seen that two forces are acting on it. Number one, weight of the boat. It acts downward, and upthrust of water. It pushes the boat upward. Both the forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Weight of the boat pulls the boat downward, and upthrust of water push the boat upward. Floating in water. Objects float in water when their weight is balanced by the upward force from water called upthrust. The object will sink if its weight is greater than the upthrust force. A boat floats because its weight is balanced by the upthrust from the water. Buoyant force. It is the ship. Weight of the ship pulls the boat pulls the ship downward, and buoyant force, that is upthrust, push the ship upward. In the second case, a block is sink in water because its buoyant force is smaller than the weight of the block, because the block displays the volume of water in a small amount, and the ship displaced volume of water in large amount. So its buoyant force is greater than the buoyant force exerted in block. A solid block of steel sinks in water. A ship with the same mass floats on the surface. Because volume of water displaced by ship is larger, and volume of water displaced by block is smaller. When an object is placed on the surface of water, two forces are acting on it: gravitational force acting on the ball, and buoyant force balancing gravitational force. So the object is placed on the surface of water. When the object is held under the surface of water, both gravitational and external force acting on the object, the balancing buoyant force is smaller than upward force. So the object is held under the surface of water. Similarly, a ball float on the surface of water, and a ball sink under the surface of water. Because the weight of the ball is smaller than the weight of the water displaced by the ball, and the ball sink under the water because the weight of the ball is larger than the weight of water displaced by the ball. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.